a look. Let's see. Oh. Look at that shit. It's a movie. It's a movie. It's a movie. Look at the 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 movie. Back up. Hold on. The fuck going on? Damn, that shit is a movie. Movie. Bomba clad.
Everyone's going in. Everyone's going to back up.
It's different.
Back up.
One Charlie, one.
Everybody over here.
What's good, bro? This shit is a movie. This shit is a movie. Damn, I'm not even going hard for these. I don't really want these. Buzz it. Shit nasty, buzz it. Damn. For the show. Early morning, Lou. Damn. You got it? Nah, I see you. What's good, bro? I'm chilling right now. Trying to see what's up with this shit. Damn. Undefeated. I haven't seen Word, that's what I'm saying. Damn. This shit's different. Both of this is cool.
So early.
I can do it. Miss Rued. How's she lying? She locked up right now. Big CO. Give us water.
This loop. Hey, what's good? What's good? Hey, I'm on a new video. Hey, what's up, y'all? How you guys doing? I'm back. I just want to give you guys a shout out. Thank you for everybody that's always watching me, you know what I'm saying? That's always watching my video, that comment, that like, that subscribe. Thank you so much to everybody that always riding with me, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, it's a roller coaster. It's a roller coaster. This summer was great, you know what I'm saying? I didn't go on no vacation yet, but I will soon. But yeah, it's been a great, great day in New York City. Can't complain, you know what I'm saying? It's a Saturday. I hope you guys having a great Labor Day, having a great day. But yeah, I'm coming to you live. I'm coming to you. Hey. Go. You already know. I got a big package for you guys. I got a big unboxing review that I'm about to do on these sneakers. Now, I know you guys seen the video in the beginning. It was epic. You know, people was arguing, you know, they was bugging out. It was going, they was going crazy for these sneakers that's in this box right here, guys. For this box, they was going crazy. You should have seen the line, like, yo, everybody was, you know, yo, I want to get in the store. And basically only 45 people got in the store. And people was there from 3 a.m. 3 a.m. I'm like, how? Let me know the longest time you guys ever camped out for a release. Let me know. My longest was for 1 day. 1 day, and that was Supreme Louis Vuitton. I remember that day perfectly. It was crazy. I was camping. I was like, yeah. I'm about to get the Louis. I'm about to get the Louis. And then I'm like, yo, they shut it down. You know what I'm saying? That's how New York goes. You know, sometimes it get wild. So when it get wild, it gets shut down, you know? What can I do? Just, you know, another loop. It's always another release, guys. Even if you take an L, it's always another release. You could come back, you know what I'm saying? So I got this box. Now it was crazy, and I might as well just tell you what it is right now, because you know what? Nah, I'm gonna just open the box and you see. So, big box. I hope you guys ready. You know, and let me know if you caught these. So the sneakers, these are not on sneakers at all, so it won't be at a release for global. But these, let me tell you. It was, oh my God. Look at it. Look at this already, guys. Just look at this gigantic box. You see this? Oh my God. You see this, guys? This gigantic box. Okay. And I'll show you guys more in detail. But basically, you know, and it comes in all of this stuff right here. You know. So it comes in that, right? That's the box right there. And now, wow, you got the briefcase. I know you guys, let me know if you know what sneaker it is. This sneaker is the most epic sneaker I ever copped. Like, this is one of the most sneakers I ever copped. Like, pertaining freaking, wow. You know, all this packaging and wow. This is crazy. Okay, guys, so I got a suitcase in my hand. I got a suitcase. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, wow. This is epic. This is mind-blowing. This is mind-blowing right here. Can you guys, yeah. Let me know what your thoughts on this suitcase. So, drum roll, please. Whoa. Let me not mess up the box, though. But, yeah. Woo! Oh, it's talking. Oh. Okay, now let me open it. You guys been waiting a while for this. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you love videos like this. I always do videos like this. So, let's see. Let's open it up. Let's see what it is. 3, 2, 1. Let me know what you think it is. What you think this is. Let me know in the comments what you think this sneaker is. Even though it's in the title, you know, but still. Let me know if you could guess. Shoot. So you see the foam right here. You see the soft material right here. Wow. I'll do a close-up review. But finally, oh my God, this takes forever. Here it is. The Jordan UNC 17s. Now, these are amazing. Honestly, the packaging amazing. The detail is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. With the white leather in the front, you know, with the leather all around, and then you got the, you know, the white laces. Don't peel off. You know what I'm saying? You got the blue and the white. You know, blue and white leather goes really good, really, really good. And then if you notice. If you look closer, you know, there's a bubble you know, there's a bubble. So, you know, this is, I like when Nike put the bubble, so it's more cushion and give you like a more, when you're running and stuff. So this is great for sports. Woo! Gotta do my dance. Woo! Hey, whoa! Almost dropped the suitcase. Hey, hey, oh, bang, bang. It's lit, guys. I love a fresh pair. I love a fresh pair of sneakers. You know, I just love it. You know, like, yo, this is one of my favorite and best cops of the year. Ouch. Ow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, guys. Suitcase. Now, sneaker time. Bang. 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 Woo. Oh. Yeah, we lit. Hey, we lit. Hey, we lit. Yeah, I'm playing, guys. Yo, so look, check it out, right? So, these are size 7.5. It was so crazy that I was like, damn, I really want a size 10 and 11. Everybody was going crazy. But you know, everybody was camping out. I ain't gonna front. I pulled up like 30 minutes, probably like 20 minutes in the release, you know. You know, they got the cops in the front, everybody going, wow. Yo, let me get these. I need these. I should have took these more serious, guys, to be honest. Let's be honest, I didn't really take it too serious because, you know, it's okay for me. I'm going to be honest. These are okay for me. You know what I'm saying? The style is cool. You know, the style and the aesthetics is really nice. I love how they did this style. You know, but it's not great, for, you know, for the toe for me. Won't look good for me on the toe. Let me smell this. Woo! Hey. Woo! These are fire. Yeah. You could wear these in the summer, spring, fall. You know what I'm saying? And these will still be good. And look at the bottom. Pretty cool. Yeah. And then you got the Jordan man. You know, you got the Jordan in the back, which is cool. Then you got the Jordan in the front. And then, yeah, it's an amazing sneaker, guys. Let me know your thoughts, comment, subscribe. These sneakers came out last year. Well, no, not last year, but it came out, 4 years ago? And this is the second drop of this sneaker. So let me know your thoughts on these. And would I cop? Of course, I would cop, drop, or toe. What would you do? Would you cop it? Me? Honestly, I would cop it and honestly, these are a good cop. That's why I cop. It's a good cop. And honestly, would I keep it? No, I'm not going to keep these. These are going to be for my customers, so I would drop it. That's what I would do. I would drop these, throw these far away. I would throw it like a football. Woo! 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 You know what I'm saying? I would throw these like, bah! Throw it away. You know what I'm saying? But let me know your thoughts. What would you do? Would you tow these or would you drop these? You know what I'm saying? Would you drop it like that? What would you do? Let me know. And thank you for always tuning into my videos. Thank you. Check out my last video, Supreme, and all my other videos. I do many different things. If you're new to the channel, I do games, etc. Check me out. Just check my videos, like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, I'm on the road to 500 and better, guys. So I'm here to stay. You know what I'm saying? And give you more heat. More heat content. You know what I'm saying? Woo! Oh, whoa. And stay to the end because I asked, you know, it's a little, basically just stay to the end. It's a surprise. So I went to the store, one of my favorite stores. Yo, shout out to Hype Club. You know what I'm saying? Hype Club, fire in Soho. You know what I'm saying? In the city. They are fire. Hype Club. If you watching this, you the bro. You know what I'm saying? You always been, you know what I'm saying? I love the store. Always make sure you go get, if you in the city, go to Hype Club.
Yeah, obviously the colorway is good. I don't know. I think the retail's too high.
Yeah.
At 300. So the resale is going to be 354. The other problem is if you look at the shoe,
Look how narrow this shoe is.
Yeah.
I know I'm not going to get the shoe on my foot. Because the OG foot will never fit into this shoe.
Word.
So
I agree with that.
I think there's a problem with the how narrow this shoe is.
Yeah.
I don't think it's going to work because I don't think that many people are going to be able to get that on their foot. Look at that thing.
Yeah. Look at that.
What would you rate it 1 out of 10?
6.
A 6.
6?
Out of 10.
Damn. I got to boost up. I'll rate
I
this.
mean, it's beautiful. I could be wrong, but if I was buying this today, I would sell it for as much as I could. Because in my OG's opinion, this is not
It's not
going up.
Not
I think
going
this is
up.
going to be the initial hype is going to be good. Haha, hype club. Hype club. But at the same time, this is not for everybody, and I
Not
think it's
for
going to be too
everybody.
expensive. But for
Yeah.
the right buyer that wants it,
Woo!
there's always a price.
Always a prize.
OG.
OG. Yeah, what y'all think?
I thought there would be more.
I know, right?
Also, come out.
I got that.
You got that, right?
I'll come here right now if I were you. And I'll buy that right now.
Facts.
Yeah, but if
300.
300? That's not bad. Oh,
would you pay $400 for this shoe?
Word. 400?
They're only 300.
Oh.
No, 300 retail. They're gone.
Yeah.
To buy this shoe, you're gonna have to buy it in the store. Like this amazing shoe before. Would you pay $400 for
Copper
this?
drop.
Copper drop? Copper drop?
I'm confident.
You confident? He lit. We confident shoe. He's lit. Yeah. Lit. I'm not getting no sponsor or nothing like that. You know, I just really rock with them. You know what I'm saying? I always go to the store. You know, I really rock with them. It's no sponsor or nothing like that. But, you know, they cool. You know what I'm saying? It's really cool. They got good prices, steals and deals. So, yeah, definitely go to them. And, yeah, it was fun in the store. You know what I'm saying? I asked, you know, some of the customers what they think about these. And you let me know. Stay towards the end, guys. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. No. No. Get your popcorn because it's about to be lit. I'm about to get to the next clip. Ooh, woo. Hey. I see you guys later, though. Have a great one. I see you in the next video. See you next time. Yeah. I got some heat. I got the heat. You already know, Jordan. Bang. 17s. Let me know if you cop over the week. These are not on sneakers. I repeat, warning, not on sneakers. So definitely let me know. I got the Travis. Love the Travi. Woo! Do my dance, yeah. Do my dance, hey. Do my dance, hey. You already know, y'all. We stay lit. It's Antonthegogo. Please subscribe, like, comment. Check my videos. It's lit. Woo!